Alright friends, today we got another repair. You guys got one of these? Drag it along the wall and it finds the studs. However, these are garbage, right? And mine is even worse because it's broken. Now, did you know that you could just throw this in the garbage? And honestly, you should. What's wrong with mine is that, we focus right there. They put these super cheap 9-volt battery connectors on here. So what I've done is for about 50 cents a piece, you can get a whole bag of garbage connectors. So I'm going to take a garbage connector and put it back on here. And if it breaks again, I can do that 9 more times. Do the math. That's what we're going to do. We're going to take it apart, show you how to solder a connector back on. It's super easy. And then we're going to have a still broken stud finder, but one that beeps. Da-da-da. You can go there. Okay. A little bit of things like that. I can see there's everything. Okay. We're gonna take these wires off, put these new ones on. Bloop. Be ready to go. Just in case you couldn't see, here's the old one, and here's what the new one is. So it's missing that little button that goes onto the battery. Oh, this is okay. So this is the sensor that does all the sensing. I want to look up that part number. I should not look up that part number. I'm going to look up that part number. The number didn't bring up anything, so then I just took it off. And the reason is because it's just a PCB. So I'm guessing it's some kind of antenna. Okay. I see. I see. Up and out. No components on this side other than the LEDs. So that means, let's look at this guy. I wanna know. Alright, I wanna look this one up. Right, yeah. Okay, I couldn't find anything. Let's move on. Just leave it alone. It's not important. It's not important. It's solder time. Blonk. Do we need a light? Be careful. Yep. One, two, three. Let's do it like the factory. Put a little knot in there. That knot is gonna keep someone from pulling this and breaking the connections on the circuit board when they say like, oh yeah, I need to plug it into a 9-volt across the room. Alright, now let's make our connection. Excellent. Bend the wire a little bit, and let's make our connection. Good. Alright. Assembly is reverse of disassembly. it found power and a stud. Garbage. There are no studs, buddy. So great. We fixed garbage with trash, and we still have garbage. Let us consider these allegations. Oh my gosh, get off. There we go. Fresh battery. Let's look a little further. See if we can't figure out how this works. One more. If you look at this, there are 3 options for how big a boy you want to look for. We'll set it all the way up to Henry Cavill. Unfortunately, you have to do this every time. Okay? Got a beep right there. The AC one, I can't explain. Go ahead and mark in our middle here. And see that it's detecting on the edge and not in the middle that it seems like it would. We'll just mark that spot right there. Alright, let's look down the wall. Okay, no, it's garbage. I don't know what to tell you. We fixed it. That's all that was promised. I don't know why they're trash. Alright, 1 down. This video is over.